Hello. You better get comfy because this one's going to be a long one. Welcome to the microwaves. Today we're going to be microwaving Krispy Kreme donut. Now, this is very, very,
It looks like a nipple.
Looks like a nipple, what? So this is going to take a while, okay?
Okay.
Put it in 20 seconds.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. And now that you've microwaved it and it's nice and toasty and warm, ow, it hurt. Now that it's all warm and fuzzy inside, you're gonna bring it to the Himalayas, where the Egyptians will do an ancient ritual on it that will complete the heating process. If you do not, you will die upon the first bite of this food, of this donut. So if you do not want to die during the first bite of the donut, do the right thing. Bring it to the Himalayas. Don't waste